morning, happy Wednesday to everyone. This is Martha and welcome to my channel, Everything Martha. I want to welcome my new subscribers. I'm so excited that you're there. And today I have a really quick DIY from a pumpkin, a styrofoam pumpkin that I bought at the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to give it like a stone look. And so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna show you how. I hope it turns out nice. I'm still working on it. So I wanted to show you a little bit of the decorating that I've done in my house. And I also want to show you what I did with those Dollar Tree tiles, wall stick-on tiles. And I wanted to show you what I did with that. I think it's really pretty. And so, yeah, I just thought I'd pop in today and welcome everybody and say hi. I hope you guys are all doing great. It's really hot here in Florida. It's super hot. We don't really get much of a fall season, but I still like to decorate, and hopefully we will have some relief from this hot weather and stop getting any like tropical disturbances and hurricanes, and praying for everybody that was affected by Hurricane Ida and all the people that are dealing with COVID, always wanting to keep them in my prayers as well. And so again, I want to thank you for watching, and I will show you now my little DIY project with the styrofoam pumpkin that I wanted to look like a stone pumpkin. I hope that turns out really nice, and I'll show you around my house with a little bit of a fall decorating that I did. Thank you so much for being there, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye now. And here's my front door with the bicycle wreath that I made, the bicycle wreath form. It's like a bicycle tire, and I have a video on that. If you haven't seen it, you can go ahead and look that up. And I changed out the flowers that I had, the spring flowers. And that's another one of those styrofoam pumpkins that I'm trying to make look like stone. I changed that out. And so yeah. So here is my kitchen and dining room. So I put this beautiful tablecloth out for fall. I really love it. I got that at Marshall's and it was just $15. And I love the colors, and they're not like super bright orange, but I love the peachy color of the pumpkins. And then I have this here for my center table. So I have that. And then I put out the beautiful placemats that I got at the Dollar Tree. And they say, "Today is full of possibilities." And I have these beautiful little signs. This one says "Gather with Grateful Hearts," and the pretty ceramic pumpkin. And I have this one that says "Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes," with that beautiful pumpkin as well. And so I have this cute little pumpkin over here, "Country Harvest." And I will just go ahead and put some music while you see the fall decorations. And I have this nice big basket filled with pumpkins under this table in the dining room. And I made this little arrangement, and it's a pot from the Dollar Tree, and I added some jute in the bottom and these pretty flowers with little pumpkins. I love that. All Dollar Tree stuff. And if I come this way, I have those. Remember those I showed you the other day? Those pretty little tea light pumpkins? Those are ceramic from the Dollar Tree as well. I just love those. And here in my living room, there's the other decoration that I did with the pot, and it has like a scarecrow on it. pumpkins. I'm pumpkin crazy, you guys. I love, love, love pumpkins of all colors, shapes, and sizes. Another pumpkin there in the bottom. And I just love pumpkins, as you can see. I haven't done any Halloween decorating. I'm sorry for those 2 boxes. They were just delivered and they're really heavy. And so I did a couple of things in the bathroom as well. But I'm gonna show you what I did with those stick-on tiles with the kitchen. So here they are. I just put them all along. My daughter calls it my fake kitchen because the wood is really just wallpaper, and the tiles are not really tiles, they're stick-on tiles from the Dollar Tree, but I just love the way they turned out. I have some extra ones, and if I have to replace them, I will. I'll just remove the one, and I put some all around the edge here. So that's what I did with them. I like it. I really am happy with the way that it turned out. And yeah, there's my finished, remodeled, do-it-yourself kitchen remodel. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you in a little while when I finish the styrofoam pumpkin that I wanted to make look like stone. And this jack-o'-lantern that I have here, I have that since my daughters were little girls, and they're both in their 40s now, so you can imagine how old that is. Okay, you guys, so I'm out here in my terrace in the backyard, and I have this is the pumpkin that I got at the Dollar Tree, which is it's a nice size, and it's made of styrofoam, so it's really light. And I wanted to give it a stone textured look, and I'm gonna be using this Rust-Oleum stone, create a textured finish look, and it's like a beige color. And let's see how this turns out. I'm hoping that it will turn out really nice and that it looks heavy and strong instead of a light styrofoam pumpkin like it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and start doing it. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm shaking this paint, this canned paint. I don't know that I want to completely cover the orange. I want it to be looking like a little bit of like a really light peach, but with the stone look. So let's see what happens. I do want the orange to show through. I probably will have to do a couple of coats of this. And I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm gonna give it another coat. it is, you guys, my styrofoam now textured pumpkin. I love the way that it turned out. I think it's really beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead now and place it on the table where it's gonna sit as part of my fall decoration so you can see how it looks. So here it is, you guys. Here's the way that I decorated my pedestal stand, which I made, and it's in my channel as one of my DIYs. I did it all with Dollar Tree items, and here's how the pumpkin, the textured pumpkin looks. And I decorated it with some hay and some fall leaves, all from the Dollar Tree, and some little string lights from the Dollar Tree as well. Isn't that pretty? I love the way that it turned out, and I hope that it will inspire you to go out and get some things from the Dollar Tree and decorate your home. You don't need to spend a whole lot of money to make something nice, and I appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos. So I hope that you're doing well, that you take care, and that you'll be there for the next one. Bye, guys.